Hi and hello to all. This side Priya Rana, and today I'm going to give you a lecture on information technology in supply chain management. So first of all, what is information technology? It is the processing of data through computers. It is the study, design, creation, utilization, support, management of computer based information through specialized software application and computer hardwares. So information technology, it has a set of specialized software application and computer hardware through which we can make our work easy, and we can make sure that computer based information systems provide certain set of softwares and hardwares which enable us to do the work in digital way and in easy way. So, how IT can be applied in supply chain management? Number one is electronic commerce. Electronic commerce is electronically buying and selling of goods and services. Okay. So, for this, we can make sure that when we are doing the business, it helps us in reducing the cost, it helps us in automation of process of moving the documents electronically between the suppliers and the customers. Next is electronic data interchange. So electronic data interchange, it helps us in keeping a record of all the datas and interchange of the datas between the companies. So we can say that it is a computer to computer exchange of business documents. So it also gives you the benefits like quick process of information, better customer service, reduce paperwork, increase productivity, improve tracing and expenditure, cost efficiency, competitive advantage, improved billing. Why these benefits are important? Because they help us to overcome the distortions, exaggerations in the supply. Next is barcode and scanner. So barcode are used in every product. So when these barcodes are there on the product, they can help us in keeping a track of all the moving items in the operation. So we can keep the track of every produced item, and we can make sure that we place them at a proper place. Next is data warehouse. In data warehouse, we are keeping a track of all the data of the company, all the data of the different departments of the company. We are keeping all the historical data, all the time dependent data, all the complete set of data of the company. So data warehouse also uses different kind of softwares and hardwares which keeps this data and which maintains this data and keeps them easy and safe. Next is enterprise resource planning. See, in enterprise resource planning, we are using the softwares like ban, SAP, PeopleSoft, etc. So what they used to do is they help in capturing the data and reduce the manual activities and tasks associated with processing, financial inventory, customer order information. So we have a high level of integration while using these datas. We have a set of data models which are to be used from these softwares. So it also helps you in sharing the information and sharing and keeping a record of all the information in a set of rules. For accessing the data, we have to follow the rules of the software, and through which we can make the things easy going in our operations. Next is the benefit of application in supply chain management. Number one is streamlining. Streamlining means to smoothen the work of the business, and to make the work and easy in the organization to communicate and collaborate more effectively with suppliers and worldwide. Next is connecting to the collaborators and suppliers, and connecting to the customers what they want and how much they have produced, seeing that in the best possible manner they can able to serve. Next is analyzing the customer chain and other things, and make sure that they can use the assets in the best possible manner. Synchronization means we can keep a proper synchronized way of managing the activities of the organization, like how much quantity of the material to be given at each department, how much quantity and quality should be taken out from each department. So we have to keep a synchronized way of data. Next is communicating the information to the collaborators and suppliers to the traders worldwide. Next is designing the work in an easy way so that we can keep pace with the changes in the business. Transforming, when we have known to the changes in the business, we have to transform our activities accordingly, and we have to make sure that we meet the demand in the best efficient manner we can. Next is understanding the various activities of the organization, to make sure that we need to optimize work performance of labors. We have to understand their sentiments and their work and their productivity, how much they can give and how much they are giving. We have a complete a set of record of all those activities. Then is maximizing the profits, and how those profits we can maximize. Like warehouse profits means when we are keeping a proper track of the billing and invoicing capabilities, we can able to maximize the profits if we have proper management in these activities. Next is optimizing means we have to make sure that we are reducing the cost and improving the customer satisfaction. Talking about the conclusion, we can say that shaping the way world communicates with another, gets work done, and spends free time in the way that we can say that information technology worldwide, web, electronic commerce will change the way a company required to do the business. Earlier we don't have these technologies, and the business were also flourishing, but not at that level which they are flourishing right now. So SCM has used IT for various purposes to make sure that they are giving their best and in the cost effective manner, and they are doing various supply chain activities in a proper way, so that they can make sure that they have networks worldwide, and they can explore and make sure that they use all the technologies in the best possible way they can. So thank you.